We are back with another mess test video. We're going to be mess testing the Dirt Devil Extra Light Bagless. The dirt container is completely empty, so the belt is kind of shot in it, so we'll see what this machine can do to this big amount of dirt. So, here we go. Headphone warning, this vacuum is loud. Well, that was definitely a lot of dirt. So, you can see this dustbin is pretty much completely full. And what's crazy about these machines, even though that most of that filter is covered, this machine was still had suction. I could tell just by pushing it that it was still trying to pull up the carpet. There was absolutely no loss of suction, so these filters are definitely very efficient. Because, yeah, that canister is mostly full. And if you look at the brush roll, wow. That's very impressive, because there was definitely a bunch of hair and strings in that big amount of mess. And as you can see, the brush roll has remained tangle-free for the most part. It looks pretty much the same before I started the mess test. That's very impressive. So, there you have it, and it was very satisfying to see the dirt kind of get pulled up through that power you can see nozzle there. So, thanks for watching. Once I get my Bissell complete, I will probably mess test that one too. But in the meantime, hope that satisfied you guys as far as content. So, thanks for watching, and bye.